need water, water. Puppy, look what you've done to my garden. Shoo!
I knew this would be the perfect pattern. It matches my eyes. Oh! Oh, you naughty puppy! You've ruined my ambience. Not to mention my wallpaper. Go away!
I'm back with the books I borrowed. Careful, Brainy. This is a very delicate experiment. One false move could smurf me sky high. Say no more, Papa Smurf. I'll be extra careful. Oops. Now, how may I assist you? Why don't you just wait outside and see that I'm not disturbed? Puppy, stop that digging! This is a restricted area.
Uh-oh, Puppy's digging up Papa Smurf's yard.
Puppy, I insist you desist from digging at once.
Shoot, the starlings! We gotta help Papa Smurf!
It wasn't my fault, Papa Smurf. I told Puppy to stop digging.
It wasn't our fault. We just told Puppy to fetch the bone.
I'm afraid this dog is totally lacking in discipline.
Gosh, Papa Smurf, Puppy's good most of the time, and he listens to me when I tell him to. Oh, stay, Puppy, stay!
I see what you mean, Nat. Your control over Puppy is abso-smurfly astounding. Mark my words, Papa Smurf. Until Puppy gets some training, you'll continue to be a menace to society.
Stay, Puppy. Come back, Puppy. Before you get into more trouble.
I agree, my little Smurfs. Something must be done about Puppy. Either he learns to obey, or he must be tied up outside the village.
Lonesome lions! I know. The four of us can teach Puppy to be well-behaved.
Well, I suppose it's worth a try.
Come on, Puppy. Come to Nat. No walking, no cookie. Hey, no fair, Puppy. You gotta earn your reward.
Having problems? I strongly recommend using my book, Canine Training Tips. Lesson 1.
Thanks, Puppy.
Hey, bring back my book!
Oh, sorry, Bernie. I guess he hasn't learned that yet.
Hold that pose, farmer. I want to still life with men on field. No, farmer, do not move. Ratatouille, the puppy ruins the still life.
I hope Puppy hasn't gotten into any more trouble.
It was that horrible hound, Papa Smurf.
Uh-oh, too late.
That poopy punctured the portrait and turned the farmer's melons into squash.
Sounds to me like Puppy is flunking his training.
Oh, please give us another chance, Papa Smurf. He'll get better. You'll see.
Well, there's plenty of room for improvement.
Jump, Puppy, jump!
Those simpering sounds can mean only one thing, Azrael. Smurfs.
Jumpies, Puppy. Jump to Nat. Oh, will you jump for a cookie? But will he jump without a cookie? Smurfaroo, all we're gonna end up with is a plump puppy. Maybe we ought to try teaching him to fetch again. Yeah, fetch the bone, Puppy, and bring it back to me. Suffering Smurflings, I give up. No matter what Puppy fetches, he always does the same thing. Yeah, he takes it back to the village and buries it.
So, the miserable hound likes to bury things in the village, eh? My, that gives me food for thought, Azrael. Wait, why bother with a few pint-sized Smurfs when we can have the whole village? Quickly, we must get back to the hovel. There's work to be done.
Eager Eagles, I can hardly wait to show these Smurfs what Puppy's learned.
I hope he's learned a better way to play fetch. I'm getting tired of filling in these holes.
Every Smurf fletch! Roll over, Puppy! Stay, Puppy, stay!
To lose la track, the beast is running
We know, Papa Smurf. It's back to school for Puppy.
And this time, use my new book, No More Bad Puppies the Brainy Smurf Way.
Nothing is too good for the Smurfling's four-footed friend. Add a dram of directional dust. Azrael, it's working! Now, this magic homing rod will lead us straight to the magic bone. And when that puppy brings it to Smurf Village, we'll be right behind.
Let's try it again, puppy. Now, roll over. Stay. Well, that's one way to get him to stay. But I guess we still owe him a cookie.
Soon I'll be filling my sack with swarms of Smurfs. Yes, this kettle will hold 100 Smurfs quite nicely. And I'll finally get to use this serving platter Mummy gave me. That slobbering Smurf puppy must have taken the bait. Our bone is on the move!
Smurfaroo! I guess we're far enough from the village to risk throwing Puppy's bone. And maybe this time Puppy won't want to run all the way home to bury it. Or maybe he'll fetch it back to us like he's supposed to. Fetch, Puppy, fetch! Worried warthogs! Is he gonna bring it back to us? Uh-oh, sounds like he's still up to his old tricks. Smurfaroo!
Faster, Azriel! Faster! That hairy hound's really on the move. But he's obviously taking the long way home. Ouch! Oh, watch out! Out go those splinters! Whoa! Yow!
Thanks for the help, Brady. The lab is spotless. Oh, don't mention it, Papa Smurf. As I always say, cleanliness is next to smurfiness, eh?
Stop, Puppy, stop! We're sorry, Papa Smurf.
So am I, Snouchy. But Puppy must stay out of this village from now on.
Oh, please, Papa Smurf, just give us one more chance.
Papa Smurf is right. There is no evidence that Puppy has learned anything. Probably because you didn't use my book.
Surprise! Here's Gargamel!
But how did he find our village, Papa Smurf?
Every dog has his day, Smurfs, and thanks to your puppy, I'm having mine. I'm so glad you could make it for dinner, Smurfs. Now, what should I make, Azriel? Smurf stew or Smurf kebab? No. Both? Well, why not? I've got enough Smurfs.
Steak flambé! We are the entree, Papa Smurf! Don't worry, my little Smurfs. I'll think of something. I hope.
A little salt, some oil.
You won't get away with this, you mean nasty wizard!
And who's going to stop me? Yes, Azriel, we do need more wood. We don't want our Smurfs too rare.
Papa Smurf, I'm too young to be a main course.
Papa Smurf, it's Puppy. He'll help us escape.
I only wish he could, Nat.
I know he can. Puppy, jumpies. Now, roll over.
And what was that supposed to accomplish?
I thought it might Smurf open the cage.
There's still a chance if Puppy can fetch the key.
You heard him, Puppy. Fetch the key. Smurfaroo, way to go, Puppy. Good boy.
Ready for din-din, my little blue beauties? Oh, why, you clumsy cat!
Thanks for the invitation, Puppy Gargamel, but we're having dinner out.
Oh, I hate Smurfs, I hate pets, and most of all, I hate the cowardly cat, Azriel!
Congratulations, Smurflings. You taught Puppy so well, he saved us from Gargamel. Good job, Puppy. And to show our thanks, here's...
A portrait of the puppy and his trainers.
And a brand new bone.
Up the veil.
You're welcome.
Well, Papa Smurf, you might at least mention that it was my book, No More Bad Puppies, that was responsible for turning this disobedient dog into... Hey! Huh, this village is really going to the dogs.